Should I buy or sell Google? The report for Google was first published on our website Monday, March 6, 2023, but this is a more detailed version. Subscribe, hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new updated video. Since March 6, 2023, our system ranks Google as a hold/accumulate, giving it a score of -0.670. In the period the stock had natural movements but currently sit with a loss of 0% since we first recommended hold/accumulate. In our daily updates for Google, our last headline reads, Google stock upgraded to hold/accumulate. The Google stock price gained 1.66% on the last trading day, Monday, March 6, 2023, rising from $94.02 to $95.58. It has now gained 6 days in a row. It is not often that stocks manage to gain so many days in a row, and falls for a day or two should be expected. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 2.12% from a day low at $94.30 to a day high of $96.30. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 1.05% over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day by -2 million shares, and in total, 28 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $2.70 billion. You should take into consideration that falling volume on higher prices causes divergence and may be an early warning about possible changes over the next couple of days. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $144.16, and the lowest price was $83.45. Right now the price is 33.7%, or $48.58, below 52-week high, and 96.22%, or $2,431.41, below all-time high June 11, 2021, where the price hit $2,526.99. The stock lies in the middle of a wide and weak rising trend in the short term, and a further rise within the trend is signaled. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible 4.98% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between -1.28% and 21.55%. The 12-month trend indicates a -28.84% change over the next 12 months, with a possible return between -48.26% and -21.67%. This equals a price between $49.46 and $74.87 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. On Friday, February 3, 2023, Piper Sandler set price target to 120. On Friday, February 3, 2023, Raymond James set price target to 119. On Friday, February 3, 2023, Oppenheimer set price target to 155. On Friday, February 3, 2023, JP Morgan set price target to 118. On Thursday, January 26, 2023, Oppenheimer set price target to 130. From analysts, Google stock received a general buy rating. The analysts give PE ratio a strong buy and price to book a strong buy rating. For the return on investment, the analysts give the stock a neutral rating. The following signals have been found for Google. There are mixed signals in the stock today. The Google stock holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. At the same time, however, the long-term average holds a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, there is a general sell signal in the stock, giving a more negative forecast for the stock. On further gains, the stock will meet resistance from the long-term moving average at $96.47. On a fall, the stock will find some support from the short-term average at $91.74. A breakup through the long-term average will give another buy signal, while a fall below the short-term average will add another sell signal and strengthen the general signal. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Friday, February 24, 2023, and so far it has risen 6.97%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Volume fell during the last trading day despite gaining prices. This causes a divergence between volume and price, and it may be an early warning. The stock should be watched closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal 7 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 29 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 12 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 12 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 2 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 8 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for Google. Google finds support from accumulated volume at $95.46, and this level may hold a buying opportunity as an upwards reaction can be expected when the support is being tested. This stock has average movements during the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. During the last day, the stock moved $2 between high and low, or 2.12%. For the last week, the stock has had daily average volatility of 2.07%. Let us have a look at some fundamental data you should be aware of before we tell you some possible good trading levels for Google. The price-to-earnings ratio, P/E ratio, is the ratio for valuing a company that measures its current share price relative to its per-share earnings. Google currently has a price-earning ratio of 19.22. This is a relatively low price-to-earnings ratio and either signal a low expectation for the future of the company, or that the stock is undervalued and could indicate a buying opportunity. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, Google meets first resistance at $99.28. If you do not hold Google shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. On a downturn, Google finds first level of support at $95.46, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. The average ratings combined from several analyst sources for Google is buy. Here are some of the latest insider trades. On March 1, 2023, O'Toole Amy Thuner made an inside sell of 637 of Class C capital stock. On February 27, 2023, Mather ANN made an inside sell of 380 of Class C capital stock. On February 25, 2023, O'Toole Amy Thuner made an inside sell of 783 of Class C Google stock units. On February 25, 2023, O'Toole Amy Thuner made an inside sell of 797 of Class C Google stock units. On February 25, 2023, O'Toole Amy Thuner made an inside buy of 797 of Class C capital stock. Based on the 100 latest insides trades, we have calculated the insider power to be negative at a ratio of 0.772. In total, the insiders bought 3,486,443 and sold 3,505,323 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is $92.23, minus 3.51%. This stock has medium daily movements, and this gives medium risk. There is a buy signal from a pivot bottom found 6 days ago. Is Google stock a buy? Google holds several positive signals, but we still don't find these to be enough for a buy candidate. At the current level, it should be considered as a hold candidate, hold or accumulate, in this position whilst awaiting further development. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a sell to a hold/accumulate candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is overvalued. For the trading on Tuesday 7th, we expect Google to open down $0.187 and start trading at $95.39. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to